Hello and welcome back to the Sovrenfx YouTube channel. So today I'm going to talk about BBMA scalping on the 5-minute. Many of you have been asking on how to scalp gold on the 5-minute charts and catch awesome trades. So today I'm going to show you how to use BBMA, basically the Bollinger Bands and moving average indicator. And essentially this indicator comes as one in trading rather than on MetaTrader, where you have to go through all settings for each and every moving average, Bollinger Bands, and the exponential moving average. So hope you enjoy this video. Leave a like and subscribe. First things first, go to your indicators, type in BBMA, make sure to select BBMA Ali Light Theme by Lycos, 184 users. After that, you can come to your settings and make sure they match mine. I'll leave this here for 5 seconds. You can pause, screenshot, and use the same settings as mine. Visibility, inputs. So I haven't ticked out all of this because this basically shows you the entry points and where to enter, where to exit. But since I can use BBMA on my own, I don't need to have this plotted out. It will have your charts cluttered with arrows and signals, which may be difficult to read at times. Okay, so if you don't understand, this is a video for someone who has understood BBMA's working. If you have not, click the video above to understand the settings and how you can use BBMA. Otherwise, this video is only for people who've understood it so far. So I have highlighted 2 entries basically to show you how you can identify the trends on the 5-minute and how you can get perfect entries. So according to BBMA, once the MA 5 or 10 highs is above the top Bollinger Band, you know it's time to sell. And for me to sell, I always ensure my sales come below the 50 EMA. So price came below and retraced to tap the MA5 or 10 high. This is where you execute your sales. Okay, so after this is known as CSK sales, where price closes below the mid BB and the 50 EMA. So when price retraces to tap MA5 or 10 high, I enter my sales with a 30 pip stop loss and 76 pip take profit. First trade. After that, we have a momentum sell, and for you to execute a momentum sell, you have to wait for price to retrace back to the MA5 high or low. So that's the bread and butter of this strategy. You have to wait for the retracement. Those are the sweetest opportunities. And for me, the best of them all is once a momentum sell or momentum buy happens, then it retraces to the MA5 or 10 highs. So here, after retracing, I enter the sell with stop loss at 24 pips, take profit at 95. So those are quick trades that you could have taken on the 5-minute. You can go over buys. Hope I could find one. Okay, so here we have a momentum buy. So simply or essentially, a momentum buy is when price closes above the top Bollinger Bands. So as I told you earlier, for you to get entries, you have to wait for a retracement, and when price taps the MA5 or 10 lows, you can have your stop loss at around 10 pips for at least 50 pip take profit for your scalps. Another trade would have entered. Let's try and find out. So here we had a momentum buy, and as we know, we have to wait for a retracement to tap the MA5 lows. We enter buy at around here for stop loss to be around 10 pips. Take profit at around 50 pips. You always want at least a 1 to 5 RR using BBMA, since BBMA shows you trades when they're in a trend, strong trends. If the trend is not strong, you won't get an entry at BBMA base. So that's what I'm trying to say. Okay, I don't want to stretch out this video for long. Those are simply the types of entries you could enter. Today's video is just to show you how to have an indicator to sort you out on all settings, so that you can't have to redo all settings every time you get onto the charts. So if you like this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Comment on any questions you might have. Don't forget to watch other videos on BBMA so that you can understand the strategy better. Okay, we'll see you next time.